YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my YouTube channel. Dear guys, today we will study the derivation of coefficient and roots. So alpha is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now what you are going to do, you are going to find the sum of the roots alpha plus beta. You are going to have the values, so you will add the both of them. So minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a plus minus b minus under root b square 4ac divided by 2a, like this. So now we are going to take the LCM, and the LCM is 2a. 2a is the LCM, and 2a. So minus b plus b square minus 4ac, then minus b square minus 4ac. Like this you will write. Then what do we cancel? Plus minus cancel. So minus 2b over 2a. So 2 and 2 cancel. So sum is equals to minus b over a. This is the method to find the sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Do practice it so that you can understand the questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any problems you can ask me in the comment section.